Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we will explore Tempus AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, that's StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has classified Tempus AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 23.85% since we first identified Tempus AI as a buy candidate just 13 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.83% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper end of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically represents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. If the stock breaks above the upper trend line at $64.88, it will initially suggest a slower rate of decline, and it may be the first indication of a potential shift in trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 24.47% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 64.79% to negative 20.15%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI includes the headline, "Is Tempus AI Inc. stock still a buy after falling 5.9% on Friday?" The Tempus AI Inc. stock price fell by 5.9% on the last day, Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, from $65.22 to $61.37. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.59%, with a day low at $60.50 and a day high of $66.30. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 16.01% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive indication as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 9 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares bought and sold for approximately $947,004,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $91.45, and the lowest price was $22.89. Currently, the price is 32.89%, or $30.08 below the 52-week high of $91.45, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tempus AI, trading under the symbol TEM, has been making waves in the artificial intelligence healthcare sector, with recent robust earnings results highlighting its growth potential. In its first quarter of 2025 results, Tempus reported a staggering 75.4% increase in revenue year over year, reaching $255,700,000, alongside a near 100% rise in gross profit. This impressive performance underscores the company's strong position and the viability of its AI-driven platform in personalized medicine and drug discovery. The launch of Tempus's Note Taker, an AI-powered clinical assistant for psychiatrists, further demonstrates the company's commitment to integrating advanced technology into healthcare workflows. These advancements could enhance patient care while unlocking new revenue streams, particularly as Tempus continues to expand its partnerships with major pharmaceutical companies. Analysts are currently evaluating Tempus's valuation, with one maintaining a neutral rating and a price target of $55 after the first quarter earnings beat. The positive sentiment around AI stocks highlights the broader market confidence in technology's role in healthcare. In the short term, this performance can lead to increased investor interest, potentially boosting TEM's stock price. Long-term sustained innovation and strategic partnerships can solidify Tempus AI as a key player in precision medicine, supporting continued stock price appreciation as the market for clinical AI technology expands. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TEM a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was noted that BTIG again gave TEM a buy rating with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated TEM as overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham gave TEM a buy rating alongside a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. The stock of Tempus AI Inc. holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be found at levels of $57.22 and $49.43. A drop below either of these levels will signal a sell. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 5.90%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume fell in tandem with the price during the last trading session, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 126 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. Tempus AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $59.10. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to have a very high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.80 between its high and low, which represents a change of 9.59%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.190. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $65.22. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before considering an entry. For those already holding the stock, this could be an important point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI encounters its first support level and $59.10. If this support level holds, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of May, 2025, Fukushima Ryan executed an insider sale of 7,220 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of May, 2025, Fukushima Ryan executed another insider sale of 12,190 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of May, 2025, Fukushima Ryan also executed an insider sale of 590 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of May, 2025, Epstein David R. conducted an insider sale of 370 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of February, 2025, Rogers James William executed an insider purchase of 4,372 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 20 most recent insider trades, the calculated insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 52.225. In total, insiders bought 24,412 shares and sold 74,908 shares in the last 20 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $57.97, reflecting a decline of 5.54%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, presenting a significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicating a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Although the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe that the present level may offer a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our analysis for this stock since the last review, changing our recommendation from hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. Following our assessment of the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we anticipate that Tempus AI will open higher by $1.35, starting at a price of $62.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.